In this video I will show you how to change the brake light bulb. This is the new one that we will use to replace the old one. Now first we need to access the tail light bulb panel. First you need to lift the trunk shelf. Now you will see on the side that there are two clips. I have only one, other is missing, but you get the point. You'll need to take them out. Now you can just pull this with your finger to remove the sidewall. And now the bulb panel is accessible to you. Now you just pull out the bulb panel by pressing this. Here you can see the one that's not working, in my case is the third one. Always turn off the lights before doing this, but this is just for demonstration. Once you've successfully replaced the light bulb, you just put everything back to its original place. The sidewall and then the two clips. And that is how you can change the light bulb by yourself.